Hello and namaste. This is Dafi TV. On today's global news, we have Xi Jinping calls for efforts to ensure success of Beijing Winter Olympics. Chinese President Xi Jinping called for efforts to ensure the success of the Beijing 2022 Olympics and Paralympic Winter Games while inspecting the preparations for the Games recently. With the opening of the Winter Olympics just a month away, Xi said China is confident in presenting a fantastic, extraordinary, and excellent Olympic Games and called for further efforts to host a simple, safe, and splendid event. She visited the National Speed Skating Oval, Main Media Center, Athletes Village, Games Time Operations Command Center, and an ice and snow sports training base on Tuesday, which marked the 30-day countdown to the Games. It was his fifth inspection visit to the Beijing 2022 sites, following tours in January and February 2017, February 2019, and January 2021. The Beijing Winter Olympics will take place from February 4 to 20, followed by the Paralympic Winter Games from March 4 to March 13. While visiting the National Speed Skating Oval, she underscored the principles of green, inclusive, open, and clean in hosting the Games. He said emphasis should be placed on the comprehensive and low-carbon use of the venues, both new and renovated ones. They should incorporate multiple functions and be able to host sporting events, fitness activities, cultural and recreational activities, exhibitions, and public welfare events, he said. The National Speed Skating Oval, also known as Ice Ribbon, not only boasts world-class facilities but also leads the world in ice-making technology with zero carbon emissions, he said. She also called for efforts to promote the technology and contribute to the green transformation of Chinese economic and social development. Beijing, the host city of 2008 Summer Olympics, is said to become the first city to host both the summer and winter editions of the Olympic Games. Organizers of Beijing 2022 have strived to make full use of the 2008 Olympics venues. For instance, the iconic Water Cube swimming venue has become the Ice Cube, a premier curling venue. She encourages athletes to strive for excellence. During his visit to the ice and snow sports training base, she encouraged Chinese athletes to strive for excellence at the upcoming Games. He inspected some high-tech training facilities like a wind tunnel and 6DOF at the training base, learning about how the athletes train and recover from injuries with the help of technological innovations. Only those who withstand the freezing cold could enjoy the fragrance of plum blossom, she said, quoting a poem to encourage the athletes to cherish the precious opportunity after years of preparations for sporting excellence. He visited an exhibition about the development of winter sports among ordinary Chinese, noting that the country has achieved the goal of engaging 300 million people in winter sports. China should build on the fervor of the Beijing 2022 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games to further promote the development of winter sports, he said. She also inspected COVID-19 prevention and control measures at the main media center and athletes village, describing the work as the biggest test for the Games. With this, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.